Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can create amazing and beautiful logos for your businesses, for your YouTube channels, your Facebook page, your anything that you want to create a logo for in canva.com. This video is gonna teach you how you can create this logo totally free. You're not going to pay someone or Canva. This will be focusing on the free ones, okay? Free ones and amazing ones. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. Okay, so we are in computer screens and now let's just open up Google. I just opened up and now we are gonna type here canva.com. I just pressed enter and it's opened. Now, whatever you want to create right here. For example, I want to create a photography logo. Okay, so let's type in here photography logo. Let me just press enter and it's just opening up and it's opened. Okay, so now we have a lot of options, including many free ones. Okay, so now we can go here and click on to free if we don't want to pay them. There are pro, but they're less. I highly recommend you people going with the free ones. Okay, so click onto this and it's just opened. So these are the free one templates. Okay, so you can select according to your needs. I really liked this one and this is also a simple and a good one, so let's go with this. So I just close that tab and this is opened. Okay, so now you can change these ones, this one, the background color from here or anything. Okay, so let's customize this completely. Okay, so I'm just starting with this. Click onto this and you want a plain background behind, so let's go with something. Okay, so white, it's plain one. You can easily remove this if you want. And now let's just change the bar color. I just selected the bar, go into colors, and I want the bar to be, for example, this color. Okay, so I just made this color and came here. Now let's change the other bar. Click onto this, the other bar, and now change its color as well. Okay, so I completely changed the color of both bars. And now the text. You can type your photography name or your company name, whatever that was. Let me just type in Digitals Earth. Okay, I just wrote in my YouTube channel name. I can drag them if I want. These are too near, so I dragged them onto a bit sides. Okay, so you can see how easy this was. Now select it, change the font if you want. There are a lot of fonts available. You can easily change any font that you want. Okay, but be careful. There are some premium ones. Don't buy them, no need. They are paid. You need to pay for premium and go with these. Okay, so leave those, find the free ones and the good ones. Okay, so I just randomly choose a font and here it is. You can see here the font. Okay, you can also change color. Double click and select all of this, go into text color and change according to your need. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, so this looks pretty good. There's nothing that we leave without changing, so I tried my best to change all of these things so that you can understand that we can change them. We can customize any way we want. Okay, so we can also change the font size. Okay, you can see here me doing. So let's just go back to the original one. Okay, so this looks pretty good. Just closing this, and now the part comes of saving our logo. So I just clicked on to download. There are some formats available. These are if you want in PDF, if you have to print it out. So these are for PDF print and standard PDF also you can go with, but these are image fonts. Okay, PNG and JPEG. The PNG one is the high quality, and SVG is not available right now. It's a vector graphic. This is basically some graphic playing kind of thing. Okay, so this video format is also available if you want. GIF, you can also create that here on Canva. But let's go with PNG right now. You cannot increase or decrease size. This is 15 into 15 px. You cannot change it because you need the premium one for changing the size. You cannot make this white transparent. This is also for premium. You cannot decrease the size of the file. This is also for premium. So the thing we can change is font basically right now. So let's go with PNG. It's a really good font. We don't need to change it basically. So don't need to pay. So let's just download it. Okay, so I just made it. Let me just open and show you. Oh, it opened up in the paints. So let me just show you here. So you can see I have created a logo into PNG format from Canva without paying them, without any cost. I don't need some expert graphic designer. I don't need to have any graphic designing knowledge before making this logo. I just randomly came and chose the logo and made. This is so simple. Okay, I hope you liked my video. If you have any problem in this lesson, you have not understood anything, come ask me in the comment section. I will try my best to teach you out with that. Thank you very much for watching this video.